I am here with Dave Dunbar, General Pipe Cleaners, and we're checking out the Rodrunner.
That's right. Rodrunner is one of the most unique machines out there. When it comes to big style sectional drain cleaners, things that use 1¼ inch cable for big drains, there's usually two types. One you walk behind. You put the cable in, you clamp it down with this, and you just feed it into the drain and walk behind it, push it into the drain. The nice thing is, the pitch on the cable is so wide that it'll catch going into the lip of the cable or in a seam inside, it'll pull itself in. I've seen these things actually go nose down into a drain so that you're standing back here hardly doing anything. You're just making sure the motor's running, right? Plus, it's safe. You're behind the cable, you're behind the drain. Something goes wrong, you're back here. The cable's out there. Great. But there's sometimes you can't do that, right? I mean, you don't have a 10-foot runway. You might be, let's say, in a powder room. You pull the toilet. You only have a certain amount of room. What do you do then? Well, this machine has an answer for that. You basically kneel down beside it. You put the brake on, and you can feed it in same way you do a kneel beside machine. Just pull the cable out.
You can hand feed it?
You can hand feed it.
Nice.
So you have two options here. Has a 3/4 horsepower motor, you're going at 700 RPM, you're doing a great job cleaning the drain, and it's very, very flexible because you just basically have a clutch here that's driving the cable. And we have a couple of different types of cables that we can use. We have two different types of connectors on the end. We have what we call a G connector, it's a general style, plus we have one that'll fit an electric eel style cable, plus rigid. So no matter what kind of machine you're using now, this will do a better job with the cables you already have. It's safer and yet more adaptable.
So you can walk behind, hand feed, 3/4 horse, 700 RPMs. This thing's the whole package, the Rodrunner.
It does. It's a great job cleaning the drain.
Where can I find more information?
Well, drainbrain.com has a lot of information, including videos. Or you can call 800-245-6200. Talk to the Drain Brains.
Awesome. Thanks much, Dave.
You got it.